we are part of this cosmic dance. We don't understand. You don't know if this tree has a snake or a leopard on top. You don't know what this berry is going to do. There is that sort of, we have enough, but we don't understand to our civilization. Is that a fair assessment?
That's a very fair assessment. Nature is ascribed use value.
Right.
In the desertic context.
Right.
यूज वैल्यू है ना कि बस ये सब मेरे खाने पीने के लिए है. द एनिमल्स आर फॉर मी टू ईट एंड एवरीथिंग इज देयर टू सर्व मी. एंथ्रोपोसेंट्रिक
Right.
व्यू.
Right.
You know that the rest of nature is there to serve man.
Me, right.
You
yes.
know, me, myself, and I can eat what I like. I can reap the resources of nature, conquest and control and this and that. Whereas here, the
Try.
Indic view is mentioned best expressed in the Madhu Vidya, which is a section of the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. You know what that says? It says that everything in the cosmos or everything on this earth is beneficial, is Madhu to this earth. The earth is Madhu to its creatures. It's not the Darwinian struggle for survival, where the strongest survive and the weak perish and are eaten up by the rest. Competition is not the primary metaphor. Cooperation is. My colon, my gut is populated by bacteria which help me digest. Collaboration, cooperation is the central metaphor in Indian philosophy. It is not control, it is not domination, it is not rape of the resources. Nature must be raped. No. Nature is all encompassing. I am a part of that nature.
Right.
There is that beautiful thing. I remember there's a Red Indian chief. He was being asked to sell the lands. He says, how do you own the freshness of the earth? How do you own the sparkle in the dewdrops on the pine? Right. How do you own it, man?
Right. Right.